Now let's look at exporting and handoff techniques, an essential step in turning design into a real product. Once a design or prototype is ready in Figma, the next step is to share it with developers or stakeholders for implementation. This process is called handoff. It ensures that everyone involved clearly understands how the design should be built and function in the final product. Exporting assets correctly is a crucial part of this process. When designers provide properly formatted files and clear specifications, it helps developers implement the design smoothly and accurately. Overall, a good handoff reduces confusion, saves time, and ensures the final product matches the original design. Exporting refers to saving design elements such as images, icons, and components in formats that can be used by developers or other tools. By exporting assets in the correct format, designers ensure that every visual element can be accurately implemented in the final product. Handoff is the process of providing all the necessary design specifications, assets, and instructions to developers so they can accurately implement the user interface. It ensures that every detail, such as layout, spacing, colors, and interactions, is clearly communicated, helping transform the design into a functional product without confusion. Exporting assets from Figma is a simple but important step in the design process. Step 1 is to select the element you want to export. This could be an icon, an image, a component, or even an entire frame. Choosing the correct element ensures that only the required assets are exported for development. Step 2 is to set the export settings. First, choose the file format based on your needs: PNG for general images, JPG for photos, SVG for scalable icons, and PDF for documents. Next, select the resolution. Options like 1x to x or 3x ensure your assets look sharp on different screen sizes, especially high-resolution displays. You can also use slices to export only specific portions of a design instead of the entire frame, giving you more control over what gets exported. Tab 3 is to export the assets. Simply click on the export option and save the files to your desired folder. It's important to organize these files properly, either by type, such as icons and images, or by screen or feature. This makes it easier for developers to locate and use the assets during implementation.